Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and functionality with the KKTONER Square Rolling Stool in a charming shade of pink. Let me tell you, this stool is more than just a pretty face. It's a game changer for anyone seeking an ergonomic seating solution. First off, let's talk about design. The cushion curvature is spot on for ergonomic support, making those long hours of sitting feel like a breeze. Crafted from PU leather, it's not only comfortable but also water and oil-proof, perfect for any setting, whether it's a salon, office, or even your home. But comfort isn't the only thing this stool brings to the table. With a seat size of 14.4 foot LX11W and a weight capacity of up to 250 pounds, it's sturdy enough to handle whatever you throw at it. Plus, the 360-degree swivel and height adjustment feature, ranging from 18.5 to 24.1 inches, cater to your specific needs, ensuring you find the perfect fit. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 10 minutes to complete. And once assembled, the dimensions of 15-inch DX13, WX7H make it a versatile addition to any space, from bars to coffee shops and everywhere in between. In conclusion, the KKTONER Square Rolling Stool in pink is a must-have for anyone looking to combine style, comfort, and functionality in one sleek package. Trust me, once you experience the difference it makes, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.